In this tutorial, we're going to look at stacked bar chart. As you can see, we have a bar chart series that is stacked on top of another bar chart series. Let's create a new project. Copy paste package in front of XML documents. Stage title will be 50. This is tutorial number 50. Let me remove button and label. Enlarge anchor pane 640, then 400 pixels. We are going to use the last one, stacked bar chart. So title, we are going to say sales. Stacked bar chart. This is going to be x-axis. It represents months. This is going to be income with thousands. FXID y-axis. Save and make controller. Let me remove label and methods. We don't need them. Remove unused import. We are going to use a string and then double. The first one is we can prepare XY chart series. String and double. Series 2019. So next one is setting legend for series 2019. Next one, add data to series 2019 object. This is going to be January. $300. Make sure you add double value with a decimal point. Let me copy paste it so that we can have up to May. To make up some different numbers. Then we are going to add this series to StackedBarChart. Clean and build, and you can run it. So we have one series from January to May with the X and Y axis. So let me make a copy, paste it, and then change to 2020. Also, I'm going to make a minor change for the numbers. I'm going to make it a lower number. The last one should be negative. So add all series 2020. So here, once you run it, now you should be able to see that the series 2020 will be stacked over series 2019. So 2019 is orange, and then there's a bit more light orange on top of 2019, that is 2020. And then of course the May the numbers is happen to be negative, so it appears minus 100. That's all. Thank you.